Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Bell with William O'Neill India. My name is Rajashekar Kongari, Equity Research Analyst, part of MarketSmith India team. Before we go ahead into the podcast, the disclaimer is registration granted by SEBI, membership of BASL, and certification from NISM in no way guarantee performance of the intermediary or provide any assurance of returns to investors. Investments in securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing. Here is the Nifty's daily chart taken from our website. If you look at the recent price action on the Nifty's front, it has been very muted. It is hovering around the 25,000 levels for the last 6 to 7 trading sessions, and the volume action has also been very muted. So you can say for the last 5 to 6 trading sessions, it has been a very muted action, both in terms of price and volume. However, Nifty is trading at new all-time highs, which is a very positive sign. As it is trading at all-time highs, it is also trading clearly above its key moving averages. And coming to the market status, we are in confirmed uptrend with a distribution day count of 3. Distribution days are very key when our market is in uptrend. We are never sure like when the market will top from here. So distribution days will help us to identify the top going forward. And if there is any further addition of distribution days and Nifty breaching its 21 DMA and 50 DMA, will definitely give an indication that there is some kind of selling happening in the markets. Going by the current market price action and volume action, it is very sure the overall trend is on the positive side and negativity is not seen clearly. Coming to the model portfolio, we have added good number of stocks to portfolio, and also we are looking for good stocks which are both fundamentally and technically strong to add them to the portfolio. Regarding the existing stocks in the portfolio, if there is any stock which is moving sideways or which is moving downwards with the higher volumes, we will definitely consider them as sell signals and will exit them from the portfolio. Some of the companies which are in the news and which will be under radar in the today's trading sessions. First is NTPC has received an approval from the board to investment of around more than 20,000 crores of rupees in 2 thermal projects. Definitely a very positive sign for the company. So we can expect a positive opening on the company's action. Next is Infosys Tech Major. He is looking to invest around 17 crores of rupees in SpaceTech startup. This is will come under the company's part called as Infosys Innovation Fund. Phoenix Mills subsidiary Casper Realty has been declared as the highest bidder for 2 prime city projects measuring around 13 acres, more than 13 acres. This is in Mohali and Punjab. The overall estimated value of the project is 891 crores of rupees. Coming to the institutional activity, yesterday FIs were net sellers. They have sold more than 2,500 crores of Indian equities, whereas the domestic institutional investors have given good support for the market. They have bought more than 2,000 crores of Indian equities. Coming to the global market update, US market closed in the positive territory. Clearly, they have taken Fed decision in a very positive sense. I can see Dow Jones closing more than 1.3, S&P closing 1.7% higher, whereas Nasdaq closed more than 2.5%. Asia markets are trading mixed. Kospi and Shanghai are trading in the negative territory, whereas Nikkei is trading with a gain of more than nearly 2%. GIFT Nifty is indicating a muted action on the Nifty's front. This has been the case for the last 5 to 6 trading sessions, as we have seen Nifty's daily chart. So we might expect the similar action in the today's uh, session as well, until if there is any major news coming out from the sectors or any stocks. Until otherwise, we might see the muted action on the Nifty's front. Coming to the chart of the day, we picked Kalyani Investment, a very small market cap company of around 2,000 to 3,000 crores of rupees. The stock is forming a very good stage 2 consolidation base pattern. The reason I say good is because of the base formation. You can see here It has been very ideal. Whenever the stock has come down, the volumes have come significantly below average, which is a very good sign. And whenever the stock is picking up, the volumes have also increased, which is a very good sign. Ratings have also been very good for the company, especially the technicals, and EPS is also looking good. Overall, on the ratings and the price volume action and the base pattern are looking good. Definitely a very good stock to look into. We are not advising to invest here at this moment, but we are just looking at the O'Neill's perspective to get an overview of how the stock is looking, and also to enable everyone here to understand how to look at a stock from O'Neill's perspective. Thank you for joining today's pre-bell. Have a good trading session.